na but Okoro, honestly, I cannot believe that it's because of this one cup of Gary. Now this will carry AK-47, they pursue me since yesterday. Because of one cup. You need to see the way that man brought up the AK-47 because of one cup. Ordinary one cup. Nigeria has spoiled. Pata like this now, Nigeria has spoiled. I told you before. I told you. No. Let us pack and go to Cameroon. Even though it's Cameroon, you people disagree. Now look at it. Because of one cup, I want to die. Because of one cup.
But Aziza, let us just manage this one because the way I'm looking, like you went to see that is one young karanga.
I need to see them for toilet.
Let's finish this one because how about now? You could go and buy beans and aqua. Both of us that live our lives to bring this guy. That kind of time.
So because of one cup, this will carry AK-47. I'm going to carry AK-47. They pursue me. I for carry catapult finish them.
Your life is worth it. It is worth it.
This is what they got it.
It is what they got it.
Very crazy. They ask for what you kill them. They say I got it. One cup. Oh.
There is a problem.
Look at Ijiji. Lay on me cigarette. You are from your house to this place because you have one cup of Gary. One cup of Gary, they nearly killed me because of it. That the jail gave for them now. There's a problem. If you know what is good for you, get out from this place.
Augusta, calm down now. I have a problem. Calm down. I came to seek for your help, please.
I'm really seeking help. When there is problem is when they remember us. What of your
know?
That girl now. That girl alone don't have your cover. We didn't have one hand. Give me there.
That to answer the question.
Don't let me go.
Oh, you perceive this guy. You need our help.
Oh, you need the chicken.
You all tax the chicken.
Oh, you buy chicken. You
must be very crazy. Look at you. Give quick notice. Get out from there. You have been given quick notice.
Good news.
Yes. You have been given quick notice.
By the way, I get the useless. Useless.
So what happened? So why our help?
How can we help you? How can we be of help to you?
Why our help? Although they got school. Why our help?
His landlord, though. Augusta, his landlord.
Landlord. Well, I'm a cheerful helper.
Where else are you?
You understand? That's my life. I don't put my chocolate in my carton. I'm a cheerful helper. Do you know what? If you want to come and discuss landlord with me, have a seat.
Yeah, we lodge you.
Yes! You will not be standing and you'll be discussing landlord issue. No? Because you have been given a good notice. Yes! If this is for to fail, you have failed. You are a failure. Let me see. Hey, they go here quick notice. Hey!